Let me call on the next person, which is F. Emmanuel. Oga F. Emmanuel, it's good to have you on here. Good evening to you, sir. How are you doing today, sir?
Hey, my big bros. Hello. How you doing?
I may hear you, Pastor. Thank you, sir. Talk to
In
us.
fact, let me sing my song. Etumuleke bouquet. This our.
Let's say you swear at this key too.
Since the guy know they talk, now make I take over from him now. Hey, Dr. CM the Great. Anna Mekene. Madam Busy Brain. Now guess what? Give us a mandate. Sanu kwanabiu ya iyale ya gida.
Suna hello, say go dear.
Yawwa.
Say go bia, say go bia.
It's all right. Wonderful contribution, CM. Wonderful contribution, Busy Brain, and give us a mandate, and everyone in the panels. I've been listening keenly, and I saw that all your contribution have been so wonderful. I just want to add something. We that are here in diaspora, the balls fall on us. Before this Chicago saga, we've been trying to push those back home to do something, to go out and make their intention known to the government, to come out to show their dissatisfaction, to come out to show that their mandate has been robbed. However, nobody showed up. Probably they are watching Big Brothers. But here we are now. This Chicago saga is very under our nose. Those of us in diaspora, especially in US. In this country, they respect human rights. So I will advise that all of us in diaspora, if we can put our head together, let's make a move. Let's make a statement that the illegitimate president sitting up high there in Aso Rock is a certificate forger. Remember what happened during NSAS. Also remember what happened during George Floyd. All the states in America came out in drones and made a statement. Say Black Lives Matters. Did they get justice? Did the George Floyd's family get justice? Yes, of course they did. Now the ball is on our court. I'm talking to those of us in diaspora. We have more information than those at home. I know we've been talking, but at this point in time, it's no longer about talking only. When you talk, you make a move. When you make a move, you show the whole world that what you're saying, you're serious about it. But when you just make a statement and keep quiet, then it is assumed you're not even serious. Make a statement, follow through by your action. Remember what this man said, Agbado. He said, power is not served a la carte. He said, go for it, grab it, and run with it. Now, let me take the version of that what he said scripturally. Say the kingdom of God suffered violence. It's only the violent that take it by force. If you relate it with what Agbado say in Chatham House, it's similar. That means you don't get it by mere talking. You don't get it by mere wishing. Israel, that is the land, the choosing nation of God, even to today, they are still fighting. The question is, what are they fighting if God is already with them? So we need to stand up and make a statement, all the states, wherever Nigerians are in the US, because this thing happened really here in the US, this forgery thing. A media guy in Chicago, is it J something, has come out to also verify, to also make a statement, have been granted several interviews, and it is clear that this guy forged this document. So, in my own opinion, those of us in Texas, give us a mandate. We need to take it up. We will come out, we'll fix a date, and liaise with other body, other well-meaning Nigerians across US, and make a statement. Let it go all through the social media that the Nigerians in diaspora are not pleased to have a forger in the helm of affairs as a president, so that we can clear some impression about Nigerians. That is my humble suggestion. Very, very important. Then I also want to say something too. Once you go on an interview, either job interview or whatever interview, and you present, let's use job interview, and you present a degree or a certificate or a HND or OND, whatever certificate you have that the job required, and you are being interviewed, and luckily you got the job on the basis of the prerequisite, which is the certificate you brought in, and you are given the job. You must start working 1 month, 2 months, 3 months down the line. Then the HR department will write to your school, wherever you got the certificate from, to verify the authenticity of that certificate. It doesn't matter how professional you are on your job. Once it is discovered that this certificate you brought into that organization or to your employer, it is forged, immediately HR will call you and give you a dismissal letter. If they are lenient enough, they will let you just go. If they want to be hard on you, the first thing they will do, they will call police on you. And all the money that you'll be earning from the first day you joined that institution, you will pay it back. That is how it's done. But I'm surprised that Adekunle, the new Adekunle that wasn't sworn in on May 29, is our president. And the judiciary, the House of Assembly, the Senate are keeping quiet. We've got problems. So we have to make a statement. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. Nigerians in diasporas, let's arise. Arise. The time has come for us to do something. We cannot just be talking and not following it up with an action. So it's more easier for us from here to follow it up with action than those back home that probably they are scared of DSS, they are scared of police, they are scared of army. We here, we can make our statement comfortably, carry placards, let it be showed across the US that those of us in diaspora, we are standing looking for a man. They will carry it out. That is my submission. I don't want to take much time. Thank you for the time, Mr. Evix. God bless you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Oga F. Emmanuel. And God will bless you too, sir. Thank you very much for your submission. I just hope that everybody's listening, see how we all can put head together to make this work, especially those of us that live abroad. So I will do my own part to see how I can work with one or two persons to see what we can get out of it. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you all.